All right, guys, peace and blessings. Hey, excited, man. I'm very excited this morning because I'm coming to visit one of you guys, man. Coming to visit you at your house, at your studio. I'm coming to visit one of my producers, man, the guys that have been supporting me. And I'm basically coming to help any way I can, answer questions, see where you are, get updates on you guys, bring in the cameras. So we're going to be recording, always recording. And like I said, I'm just coming to help you however I can, whether it's get you started on your music business, getting it up and running the proper way, whether it is giving you some production tips, songwriting tips, or just, listening to your success stories and or where you're struggling at. But either way I go, I'm coming to help you guys. Now I'm not coming to you guys if you're one of my subscribers in like the Netherlands or Africa or China or anywhere like that, because I have producers there as well. But I'm coming to the guys who have subscribed to me, so you're going to be a subscriber for sure. And those who are Music Millionaire members have a higher chance of me showing up to your house. All right. So if you are a Music Millionaire member, definitely probably will be visiting one of you guys first. You got priority on my list, of course. But I'm excited, man. I hope you guys are excited too. Because like I said, I'm coming. You're going to come. I'm going to come to you, and I'm going to do what I get paid to do for other companies. I get paid $15,000 to consult with record labels and things like that to help them get their business together and artists. And I'm coming to give that to you for absolutely free. And you never know, maybe, a past member, maybe someone new, and maybe you don't know, man. Just be expecting me. And I'm coming this weekend. This weekend, I'm coming to one of you guys' house in the United States. And more than likely, I'm going to start somewhere closer and then work my way out. But I'm coming to you guys. And I'm excited to be able to help you. So if you haven't already subscribed, or if you have not joined the Music Millionaires Club to get your kit and your tools that you need for your music business, make sure you do that. We're getting ready to update the website as well with straight informational videos, how-to DIYs. I'm going to give you what I can't give you on YouTube, and more detailed, in-depth information. So if you haven't subscribed to music-millionaires.com, make sure you go and do that. And for those, again, who are subscribed and also members of Music Millionaires, I'm coming to visit one of you. Look out for it. Guys, can't wait to meet you.